How to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get rid of Yahoo Search from your Chrome browser. So let's get into it. So if your first time installing Chrome browser, you will know that sometimes the search engine isn't exactly Google. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. So go ahead and click on the three dots over here in Google, go into settings, and then from here you can go ahead and just simply come over here onto the left hand side, click on search engine, or you can even just simply type in search engine over here, and here you can see you have Google, that's my search engine, and here you have manage search engine and site research. So if you click on here, you will see you have all these different options. You can go ahead and use them as default. So for example, if I go with Yahoo right now, that's not active. If I go ahead and click on make default, come over here onto another tab, and I just simply opened up, and you can see right now it's Yahoo. That's what my search engine is. So again, if I go ahead and go with make DuckDuckGo my default search engine, so now you can see it's now DuckDuckGo. So again, pretty simple, right? So here you can just simply remove the search engine. So I'll just simply go ahead and click on delete, and boom, Yahoo is gone. And delete, boom, Bing is gone. So I'll just make Google my default, and boom, I personally like DuckDuckGo, but just for the sake of the video, boom, it's gone. Now, what if you wanted to add them back, right? So you got rid of them. Now what you want to do? Can you go ahead and add them? Well, you can if you click over here, site search, site to search a specific site or part of Chrome. You can click on add over here, name, shortcut, and URL. So again, very similar to this one, Google, google.com, and down below, this is going to be the URL. So here, just simply click on add. I'll go with Yahoo, yahoo.com, and for the URL is going to be this one. I'll click on add. We now have this one as well. Now we can go ahead and deactivate them as well, and we could default whatever. But yeah, now it won't add them over here, but you get the idea. You have them right here. Also, another thing that you gotta do is on startup here, you can see open on new tab or open up specific pages. If you want to do that, if you want to open them up on a specific page, you can do that as well. But yeah, you can set it to Yahoo or Google or whatever. But yeah, there you go. That's how you can do it. That's how you can remove Yahoo Search from your Google. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.